I spent 3 weeks shivering in my backyard with a cracked, leaky tub I bought on a whim. The pump sounded like a dying lawnmower, and the heater barely made the water lukewarm. Finding an above-ground hot tub that actually holds temperature, fits your space, and doesn't spike your electric bill is a nightmare of misleading specs. Today, I am breaking down the top 7 above-ground hot tubs I have personally tested, from budget inflatables to luxury backyard resorts. One of these completely transformed my evenings, and I will show you exactly which one it is. 7. Intex PureSpa Plus Bubble Massage. When I first unpacked the Intex PureSpa Plus, I was genuinely impressed by how quickly it took shape. Setup is incredibly straightforward, utilizing the included pump to inflate the tub in a matter of minutes. The puncture-resistant 3-ply laminated material feels surprisingly robust for an inflatable product, giving you the sense that it can handle a busy patio environment without springing a leak on day one. It is a fantastic entry-level option for anyone who wants to test the waters of hot tub ownership without committing to a massive permanent installation or pouring a concrete slab in their yard. However, the reality of testing this tub in variable weather quickly revealed its limitations. The built-in hard water treatment system is a nice touch that kept the water feeling soft against my skin, but the heating element struggles significantly. It heats at a sluggish rate of about 2 degrees per hour, meaning you have to plan your soaking sessions well in advance. More frustratingly, you cannot run the heater and the 140 bubble jets at the same time. If you want the massage experience, you have to accept that your water temperature is going to steadily drop, which completely ruins the vibe on a chilly autumn evening. The bubble jets themselves provide a surprisingly aggressive, full-body effervescence rather than targeted muscle relief. It is a fun, relaxing sensation that feels great after a long day, but you have to tolerate the noise to enjoy it. The pump unit that controls the inflation, filtration, and bubbles sounds like a heavy-duty shop vacuum when a massage feature is engaged. 6. Arctic Spas Summit. Built specifically to withstand brutal winter climates, the insulation on this tub is nothing short of legendary. During my testing, the heat retention was phenomenal, largely thanks to the free heat insulation system that utilizes the ambient heat from the pumps to help warm the spa shell. The Western red cedar cabinet gives it a stunning, rustic aesthetic that looks incredible on a wooded deck or nestled into a snowy backyard landscape. The hydrotherapy experience is undeniably powerful, featuring up to 61 jets powered by multiple heavy-duty pumps. The seating arrangement comfortably accommodates 6 adults, with varied seat depths that ensure both tall and short users can find a comfortable spot where the water line hits perfectly. The shuttle seating design allows you to move freely without feeling boxed in, and a sheer volume of water displacement provides a deeply immersive soak that melts away lower back tension in minutes. Yet, that beautiful rustic design comes with a significant burden of maintenance that I found deeply annoying. Unlike modern synthetic cabinets that just require a quick wipe down, the real cedar cabinet requires periodic sanding and restaining to prevent it from graying and weathering unevenly. Furthermore, the sheer bulk of this unit makes it an absolute nightmare to deliver and position. While I needed to access the internal plumbing to inspect the heater, removing the heavy, swollen wooden side panels was a frustrating, finger-pinching chore that felt incredibly archaic compared to modern snap-on synthetic panels. Technology integration is another area where the Summit left me feeling a bit frustrated. While it does offer the Spa Boy automated saltwater system and app connectivity, the interface felt clunky and occasionally dropped the Wi-Fi connection during my tests. 5. Caldera Spas Utopia Series Cantabria. This spa is absolutely massive, comfortably seating 8 adults without anyone having to play footsie in the footwell. The sculpted acrylic shell is an ergonomic masterpiece, naturally hugging the contours of your body. From the moment I stepped in, the spaciousness was the most striking feature. It is an entertainer's dream that never feels crowded, even when packed with family and friends. The crown jewel of the Cantabria is the Ultra Massage Lounge seat, which I found myself fighting to occupy during every test session. It provides a full-body sequence that targets the neck, shoulders, full back, calves, and feet simultaneously. The Atlas massage system allows you to customize the pressure precisely, redirecting flow to specific zones with just a twist of a dial. The jets do not just shoot water. They provide a kneading, pulsing sensation that actively works out lactic acid and muscle knots with remarkable efficiency. What truly elevates the experience is the Euphoria jet located deep in the footwell. It is a massive volcano-style jet that shoots a geyser of warm water upward, providing an incredible deep tissue foot massage for anyone sitting in the surrounding upright seats. It completely changes the dynamic of the tub, allowing users who do not want to be in a lounge seat to still get profound lower body relief. Combined with the stunning Spa Glow multi-zone lighting that illuminates the water and the exterior cabinet, the nighttime ambience is simply spectacular. Maintenance on the Cantabria is wonderfully streamlined thanks to the freshwater salt system. During my time testing this model, the water remained incredibly soft, crystal clear, and completely devoid of that harsh chlorine smell that sticks to your skin. 4. Sundance Spa's Optima. The Sundance Spa's Optima hits the absolute sweet spot between expansive seating capacity and elite-level hydrotherapy. As part of their renowned 880 series, this tub opts for an open seating layout rather than a dedicated lounger, which means you can comfortably fit 7 adults without sacrificing any legroom. I was initially skeptical about the lack of a lounge seat, but testing the varied seat depths and jet configurations quickly changed my mind. The interior is brilliantly designed to encourage conversation, making it the perfect social hub for your patio. The real magic of the Optima lies in its patented Fluidix jets. Unlike traditional jets that use moving metal or plastic parts that can clog or break down over time, these jets use fluid dynamics to create a sweeping, oscillating massage pattern. The resulting sensation is incredibly smooth and mimics the hands of a professional masseuse rather than just blasting a stream of water into your back. The AccuSage therapy seat, in particular, delivered the most profound neck and shoulder relief I have ever experienced in a hot tub, melting away hours of desk-induced tension. Beyond the jets, the sensory details of the Optima are perfectly executed. The illuminated grab bars make entering and exiting the tub safely in the dark a breeze, and the Aqua Terrace waterfall creates a soothing auditory backdrop that drowns out neighborhood noise. I also love the SunSense aromatherapy integration, which uses silent air injectors to infuse the water with subtle, relaxing fragrances without dumping oily chemicals into the water system. Water care is handled beautifully by the ClearRay Active Oxygen System, which uses UVC technology to neutralize waterborne pathogens. 3. Bullfrog Spas 8L. The Bullfrog Spas 8L completely reinvents how a hot tub is constructed, and testing it was an absolute revelation. The standout feature here is the jetpack therapy system. Instead of a tub with fixed, predetermined jet layouts, the A8L features interchangeable seatbacks called jetpacks. I was able to literally lift out a pulsing massage module and swap it with a deep tissue kneading module in seconds. This means every single person in your family can customize their specific seat to target their exact aches and pains, making it the most personalized spa on the market. Because of this modular design, the plumbing efficiency of the A8L is staggering. Traditional hot tubs have miles of complex hoses behind a shell, which reduces water pressure and creates countless potential leak points. The Bullfrog design eliminates up to 90% of this plumbing. The result? The water pressure blasting from these jetpacks is incredibly strong, providing a therapeutic force that deeply penetrates tired muscles. The premium lounge seat in this model is a masterpiece of ergonomics, perfectly supporting the lumbar region while delivering targeted relief to the calves and feet. The build quality is entirely rot-proof. Bullfrog uses a completely wood-free Enduraframe construction, meaning there is absolutely nothing inside the cabinet that can warp, rot, or degrade over time. Living in a humid climate, this gave me massive peace of mind. The cabinet itself is beautifully modern, with sleek, architectural lines and subtle exterior sconce lighting that instantly upgrades the aesthetic of any outdoor space. Operating the A8L is handled through a brilliant, intuitive touchscreen interface that is as responsive as a high-end smartphone. 2. Hot Spring Highlife Collection Grandee. If there is a gold standard for energy efficiency and silent operation, it is the Hot Spring Highlife Collection Grandee. This tub is an absolute behemoth, offering a beautifully spacious interior that accommodates 7 adults with an abundance of legroom. But despite its massive size, it operates with a whisper-quiet grace that is genuinely shocking. Thanks to the dedicated Silent Flow 5000 circulation pump, the water is continuously filtered and heated without the loud, surging jet noises you get from standard spa pumps. You can sit right next to this tub while it is running and hold a conversation at a whisper. The defining feature of the Grandee is the revolutionary Moto Massage DX. Instead of stationary jets, these dual nozzles sweep up and down the length of your spine, providing an active, moving massage that is completely unparalleled in the industry. During my testing, spending just 10 minutes in the Moto Massage seat completely erased the stiffness in my lower back. The other seats feature an array of precision jets, including the soothing stream jets that target the shoulders and the powerful foot stream jets in the cavernous footwell. Insulation is where the Grandee absolutely dominates. The cabinet is packed with multiple layers of high-density polyurethane foam, identical to what is used in commercial freezers. This makes the Grandee incredibly cheap to operate, even in the dead of winter. The heat simply does not escape. Combine this with a 100% no-bypass filtration system, meaning every single drop of water is filtered before returning to the tub, and you have a spa that requires minimal upkeep while delivering maximum performance. The freshwater salt system is perfectly integrated here, keeping the water silky smooth and practically maintenance-free for months at a time. 1. Jacuzzi J495. This is the largest designer hot tub from the brand that literally invented the industry, and it shows in every single millimeter of its design. The first thing you notice is the striking high-back silhouette. This elevated profile isn't just for looks. It acts as a windbreak, provides enhanced privacy from nosy neighbors, and houses the massive, extra-wide, illuminated watercolor waterfall that cascades beautifully over your shoulders. The hydrotherapy in the J495 is aggressive, deeply therapeutic, and unmatched by anything else on the market. It utilizes the legendary Power Pro jets, which are engineered to deliver a perfect 50-50 mix of air and water. This creates a high-volume, low-pressure massage that penetrates deep into the muscle tissue without causing the skin-stinging itchiness that cheaper jets produce. The sheer variety of jets in this massive 8-person tub ensures that you can find the exact type of massage you need, whether it is a gentle, swirling sensation or a vigorous, deep tissue kneading. The control panel is a masterclass in user experience. The product full-color control panel integrates seamlessly with the Smart Tub app, allowing you to monitor and control your spa from anywhere in the world. One of my favorite subtle features is the illuminated indicator light on the exterior cabinet. With just a glance from my kitchen window, the glowing logo told me if the tub was at the perfect temperature or if it required maintenance, completely eliminating the need to walk out in the cold just to check the water. From the premium ProLast custom cover to the tool-free cabinetry removal, every aspect of a J495 is designed to make ownership effortless and luxurious.